over the last few years, you might have noticed that the term side hustle has been really, really hot. Everyone is talking about side hustles, how to make extra money online. And I'm a huge fan of side hustles, by the way, because my side hustles that I've started in the past have either led to a 6 or a 7-figure business. That's how I like to look at side hustles. So my son, who happens to be on TikTok, I'm really not, I'm just a 51-year-old man that doesn't really go on TikTok, but he said, Dad, you gotta check out some of these side hustle ideas on TikTok. And he said, are they really legit? And I said, send them my way and I'll react to them. So there's actually 5 that my son sent me over. So we're gonna go through these one by one. I'm gonna give you my thoughts. I'm gonna let you know, are they legit? Can they turn into something more than just a side hustle? So that's what we're gonna do in this video. So the first one we're gonna be looking at is this one right here, the stupid easy side hustle that you can make, well, $900 in 3 hours? That seems too good to be true. Let's find out.
Here's how you make $900 in just 3 hours, and it's stupid easy. And all you need is a laptop. Let me show you how. First you want to head over to textbroker.com. Now Textbroker will literally pay you for every word that you type. Go to the top to I write content and click on payments. Now as you can see, they will pay you $660 for every 1200 words that you type. Now the average conversation rate in the US is about 150 words per minute, which means it will take you just over an hour to write it. And here's where the stupid easy part comes in. You don't even have to write this. Go to Google Docs, click on Tools and select Voice Typing. Now as you can see, it is typing exactly what I'm saying. A couple of hours work and you have $900. So what are you gonna do with the last hour? Head over to grammarly.com and make sure to check all your work.
All right, so yeah, I do have some thoughts on this. Actually, let's go make $900 in 3 hours like he just told us we could. Well, okay, here's the deal. What he is saying is you can get paid to transcribe audio for other people, which is true. You can do that. And for the longest time, people have been typing it, and it does take a while to type it, depending on how fast of a typer. But he's saying there's a hack that all you need to do is use an audio to text transcription type service, or you can use something that's built right into Google. And yes, you can do that, but it's not going to come out as good as he's making it sound like. Even going to Grammarly is not going to help you. But let's say that all of that did work, it's still going to take you longer than what he is saying. So is this a side hustle that you could do? Yes, but it's not really a good idea. You're probably going to have a lot of problems going back and forth with the person that wants the transcription done. So is this a good side hustle? No, it's not. Is this a good side hustle to turn into a business? No. And the one thing that would have made this a little bit more compelling is if he would have showed me a screenshot of him actually making the $900. That's the one thing I'm seeing here. TikTokers are not actually putting numbers that they actually did. They're just giving you ideas. So great. Thanks for the idea. But did you prove it worked? All right, let's listen to the next one.
This is the easiest way to make money online.
Wait a minute. It's the easiest way. This is going to be great. All right, let's keep going.
And I'm not joking. And you can do it all from your bed.
Really?
And it's completely free. First, go to wearefabric.io. Next, select Join Now and sign up. You're then going to watch ads, get paid, and have fun. If you do this every day for a half hour before you go to bed, then you can make $50 every single day.
Okay. So we can just lay in bed at night and get paid for videos, right? Well, this is one that I would love to try. So I'm gonna go to the website right now and I'm gonna see if I can actually sign up to do this or if I can get more information about it. Let's check this out. All right, so here we are and it says watch ads, get paid, have fun. All right, so let's go ahead and join now. Oh, wait a minute. I guess I can't join. That's a really good sign that, well, there's an error, 1016. It gives me some type of DNS error. Sounds like a legit site to me. So as you can see, probably not a good side hustle. You can't even do it. Listen, you've probably heard the old saying, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Well, it probably is. And once again, why didn't this guy show a screenshot of his money that he's been making, laying in bed, having fun, making $50 a day? Why not? All right, on to the next.
This is how I plan to make 100K this summer with AI. I've made 5K this month with the exact same method. Best part is, you don't even need to show your face. Let me show you how it works. First, you want to go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate you a list of niches you can make YouTube Shorts about. Then you want to ask ChatGPT to generate you 10 top 5 lists for the niche and use one of these for a YouTube Shorts video. Now don't be worried if you don't have any video editing skills.
I hope he's not saying that he's making all that money through YouTube Shorts. I'll show you a statistic here in a minute. I'll show you my account on how much I've made on Shorts. Not that much.
Because we're going to use AI to completely create these YouTube Shorts videos. After you have a video idea, you're going to head over to Pexels to find a free non-copyright video to use for your YouTube short. Then after you choose a video, you can head over to a free editor like CapCut and throw it all together to complete your YouTube short. These videos literally take minutes to make and generate hundreds of thousands of views within days.
Oh boy, just takes minutes. Yeah, I don't know if you've ever edited videos before. It doesn't matter if it's a 30-second or a 60-second. It's going to take you more than minutes. I will tell you that firsthand. I know that. I've done that. So here's the problem is, number one, if he's saying YouTube Shorts is where he's going to make that $100,000, there is no way that you're going to make $100,000 on YouTube Shorts as of right now. Let me show you how much YouTube Shorts are paying. Now, I don't focus on YouTube Shorts much. I focus more on the long form, kind of like this video, but I have done shorts in the past. So let me just show you what 1,000 views will pay you. So this here, 1,600 views is what we're looking at right here. Let's see how much that earned me. That is from 1,600 views. So how many views would you need to make $100,000? Now, because I don't really focus on shorts, I can't really give you a great estimate as far as what the average is, but there is a site that will allow us to calculate from the average YouTuber that's doing shorts and they're getting millions of views. So let's see what we need to hit $100,000 per year. So I would need 7.1 million views per day. That's daily views. So this person saying that they're going to try to use AI to create shorts and then go ahead and get this many views per day, by the way, that's a lot of work and probably not going to happen. So this calculator puts it into perspective. Not that easy. Now, I will say this isn't the best side hustle idea, but I will say I do agree going on YouTube, building an audience, and you can do this on the side, by the way, but an audience in a niche, and then from there, do long form content. And I mean anything over 8 minutes, and that way there, you can start to monetize, and the monetization numbers are definitely higher than if you are just doing shorts. As you can see right here in my channel, for the last 90 days, we've done $12,433.92, and we are not getting millions of views, by the way. All right, let's watch the next one.
Here's one of the laziest businesses to start. You don't need to put any money down. We're going to go to AliExpress.com, try and find products that are $10 or less, and make sure that the vendors are US based. They'll deliver quicker, and this is important. Take the photos that they have, go to Facebook Marketplace, list this item for sale. When you list this price, make sure it's more than what you paid for the item from AliExpress. Now, you don't have to list this just in your local area. You can list them for sale across all of the nation. Now, once you collect the money on Facebook Marketplace, you simply go to AliExpress.com, buy the product, put the person's address in it, and boom, that person's going to ship it directly to them. You made a little bit of money in between, and you only bought the product on AliExpress after someone paid you from Facebook Marketplace.
Okay. I've got some experience with AliExpress, Alibaba. I've done a lot of, products through those companies, but I've done it where I buy them in bulk. I would buy like 1,000 or 500 at a time, and then we would go ahead and resell them, but we would also brand them. What he's talking about is basically just taking all of that inventory and then making it available to someone without you having it, and then you're going to order it and have it shipped. The problem, and this is a big problem, is it's going to take a long time for that person to get the product, and you don't know how it's being shipped. A lot of times coming from China or any of these companies that are through AliExpress, it could come in some beat up packaging. Like, you don't want that, right? You want to have some quality control. I understand what he's saying. And as a side hustle, you're just selling products on Facebook Marketplace or any other platform for that matter. I think that's an interesting twist, is using Facebook Marketplace, because I think that is a great place to sell used products or products that you would just want to get rid of. I think it's like a garage sale in a sense. Could it work? Maybe, but you are going to run into some logistical problems, I feel, and it's not necessarily a business. He called it a business. I don't call that a business. I call that you're just taking product and you're flipping it, or almost like retail arbitrage. So is it a great side hustle? No, because you're going to run into some logistical stuff. Is it something that could work, make a little extra money? You could. Is it one that I would recommend? No. Is it the worst? No, it's not. It's not the worst, but it's not that great. And once again, I would love if these TikTokers would show a little screenshot of what you've done. We all want to know. If you're going to give me this advice, show me that you've done it or you've tried it and you tested it. So yeah, you TikTokers out there, make sure that you're putting in some screenshots of your stuff and making sure that it's legit. Let us know that you tried it and it worked. All right, on to the next.
Let me show you how to make $4,000 just by one photo, and guess what? You do not have to show your feet.
Wait a minute. I don't have to show my feet? I thought I was going to have to take pictures of my feet. That would be awesome. No, just kidding. Let's get back to the video.
Google search clickaSnap.com. Up for free. It works. Upload your photo. User review your photo. Get paid for your photos. Don't worry, it do not have to be you in the photo. You could pick an image of anything. They will pay you up to 90 cents per view. Say if you get 5,000 views, 5,000 times 90 cents. That's $4,500, and you do not have to show your face or feet.
All right. Dropped my phone. I got so upset there. Wait a minute now. Are you actually doing this? Let me see some proof. Come on. Let me see some proof. I want to see that screenshot of the numbers that you made. Probably didn't. That's why it's not there. But I will say this. Yes, that's been happening for years. I mean, these royalty-free image sites, they rely on user-generated content, you taking pictures and uploading them. But what she's saying is you're going to get paid every time it gets viewed. But what she's not saying is, how does the picture get viewed? You don't just put up a picture and it magically starts getting 5,000 views or whatever she was saying. So that's the trick. That's the piece that's missing. So is there a way that you're able to see what pictures are being searched for the most? Things like that. She left that part out. That's one of the most important parts, because you can upload 1,000 pictures, but if you get 0 views, you get $0. So look, the problem that I have with this side hustle, and pretty much everyone I shared here, I think pretty much everyone, is you're going to be doing work all the time. And whenever you're doing a side hustle, that's kind of the mentality. But what I want you to start thinking about is, how can you start a side hustle like a YouTube channel? Let's just say a YouTube channel. And how can you then build something that potentially can scale? That once you put the work in, you're creating assets that you can get paid for over and over and over again. And like a YouTube channel, you're building something that you can monetize pretty quickly, 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, and you're building an audience, and you can start charging for sponsorships, and you can do affiliate marketing, but it's all in that one niche because you built the audience. So I'm a big fan of side hustles, but also side hustles that lead to something that can turn into a business or passive income. And that's why I shot this video right here that shows you my #1 side hustle that you can turn into a full-fledged business and can give you passive income for life. And this is no BS. This is a legit business plan, and you can start it as a side hustle. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.